Hello YouTube. Today I'm talking about a 2012 Chevrolet Colorado. Yesterday, well, the past few days, I've had some skipping missing with this truck. It's got the L4 2.9 liter Vortec motor in it, and it was skipping pretty bad. The check engine light came on yesterday, and I put the code scanner on, and I got a code P0304, which means misfire on cylinder number 3. But I'm going to tell you how to fix it. First and foremost, go ahead and bite the bullet. Buy all new coil packs. There's 4 of them. And buy all new spark plugs. There's 4 of those as well. Go ahead and take your air filter cleaner box cover off. Take the air filter out. Take the hoses off. Take the cover off the motor. Go ahead and, while you got it down, get some mass airflow cleaner, clean your mass airflow sensor, get some throttle body cleaner, and open the throttle body, prop it open with the end of a screwdriver, and go to town, spray her down. Go ahead and take the coils out. It takes a 10mm socket, and take those coils and throw them in the trash. Go ahead and take the spark plugs out. Notice the gap on the spark plugs. Mine was 42. I don't know what yours would be. Go ahead and get the new parts, gap the plugs, put them in, put the new coil packs on, hook everything back up. Make sure you've got your valve cover breather hose back on. That's a little tricky one. Tighten everything up, start it up, and you will more than likely have a check engine light on. If you have a code scanner, go ahead and erase the codes and reset the light. If you don't, maybe an AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or some place like that will turn it off for you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you get those codes of P0300 through P0304, you definitely need to go ahead and bite the bullet and replace the coil packs. Don't believe everything else you read on the internet. This is the only way you're going to fix it. If you have an earlier model L4 2.9, you might want to check the compression while you got the plugs out. I checked the compression on mine. Mine's a 2012. My compression was decent. It wasn't great, but it was, with the age and the miles, it was decent. So just letting you know,